Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric from Yokaher Skateboards, and today is a special day because I'm gonna fill you all in on what's going on. We haven't made a video in a little bit, but it'll all make sense once I show you where we're going. So stay tuned, watch the clips. I'm gonna show you where we're going and then give some commentary and do a little bit of skating. It's finally a nice day out here. So recently, I relocated. I'm no longer in Chino Hills, California. I'm in the Bay Area, Eastern Bay, so a good while up north from Chino Hills, and so the weather is a lot different. It's rains a little bit more here than there, and I wasn't expecting, so that's why we couldn't make a lot of videos, but I've still been able to skate when I could, so we're on the way to the local park right now. All right, so we're here at the San Ramon Skate Park. So this place is really cool, as you can see behind me. It's pretty big. I'd say it's maybe about 3 times the size as the Chino Hills Park. So pretty bigger than what we're used to for our videos. So we're gonna hop in and we're gonna do like a little kind of overview on what kind of obstacles they have and what I think we could possibly make some content, do some how-to videos, and who knows, maybe I'll learn some tricks here too. Cool little side note here, they have a plaque that shows that it was built in November 1999. This is the San Ramon Skate Park, so it is a little older. I have been told that it's been renovated by some of the, like one of the local guys here was telling me that they've added some stuff. And so just kind of a list of names that helped this park get built. And then we got sponsors, I guess Pepsi, Sunset Development Company, Braddock and Logan, Real Tech. So pretty cool. So there's the opening of the park, and you're greeted with, I don't know, maybe like some 4-foot quarter pipes, but these quarter pipes seem like they got a little bit of almost like vert. Then there's a wall ride over there. Then you have this hubba ledge like going around. It's kind of cool. It's about a little bit bigger than the size of a board, and shout out Yokaher. We got my favorite one with me. Only graphic I've been riding for the last couple months. Love these boards. Check out the website. Then we have another ledge. This thing I've been spending most of the time learning tricks on and kind of relearning. So you can almost skate it as a manual pad or a ledge. That's what I've been skating. And it's about probably, I don't know, maybe a foot high on this. So it's really fun. On the other side, it's a quarter pipe. And then if we continue along right here, this is a really fun obstacle. So it's like a really steep bank, but there's coping on it. So what I like to do is roll up right here, do a manual, and then go right on the side. And you can also come in, do some slashes, but there's not too much area right there to kind of land and kind of roll in. So you gotta be really careful right there. And then this is really cool. This is more of something we wish we had at the Chino Hills Skate Park. So we got a ledge, nice sized ledge, and then it leads into a round bar. So you can kind of, this is like almost like a little street section that I wish we had. So definitely gonna be skating this ledge, drop in from there, may do like a manual, come down, and then, so we got this nice round bar. Pretty good height. It's not too high, not too low. And then over here we have another ledge. And this ledge is a little taller. So what's cool about this, there's a nice open space. They can honestly hit both in either direction. So if you want to go front side, for me, being a goofy foot rider, come in right here, hit that rail, may hit another trick, go up the little bank, turn around, do it all over again. You can do it front side or back side. Then right here we have a massive curved ledge. I have been hitting some manual tricks on it, didn't really get to grind it too much yet, but we'll get into that. But it's really cool to start out right here with some speed, go around, and then get your manual or whatever kind of technical trick you want to get in on it. All right, and then to the right side from the bowl, you have another out ledge. Like it seems, let's see how many stairs we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 6 stair right here, but it's relatively long compared to the 6 at the Chino Hills Park. but this looks kind of cool. I don't know what I have on it because it's kind of high and then it just drops to flat. But also, this looks really cool. I'd love to 50-50 this. So we got this massive like hubba. It's not too high, but it's just the width of it is so wide. So pretty cool. And then as we go down the 6th stair, you're gonna see kind of like this little, almost like a little loading ramp, loading dock kind of deal. So I guess you can practice stuff off of it. And then we have a roll-in with the noping, as me and Enzo made famous at Chino Hills Park. And then right here we got this roll-in, but it looks like you got to be careful not to get into this grating. That could spell bad news, but you can also hit the hubba from the other side. Then right here, this is kind of cool. It's like a noping kind of bank kind of deal. You can work on like dropping in right here, getting like kind of little pumps in, and then right here, let me back up a bit. This is really cool. I want to get a trick on here because I'm not too experienced with wall rides, but it seems like you can come off of this quarter, ride this wall, and then come back down. So I'd like to try that. And then let's get in the middle of the park. So we have like the noping right there. I like skating that and pumping into those quarter pipes. But we also have this massive bank, which is really cool. You can come down here, get speed, and then go into this big quarter pipe. And this thing, this is me standing. This thing's pretty tall right now. Like I have hit a couple tricks on it, but I want to show you that on this side right here, you can kind of see what I'm saying. So it looks like a regular quarter, but it's a little bit more steep than the Chino Hills ones. All the quarters are here. I think the quarter pipes were here since '99, so they didn't renovate that. The things that I heard were the hubba came in, the flat bar, the ledges. So yeah, this is a pretty awesome park. And as you can see, it's a nice day out. We've had a lot of rain, and surrounded the park, there's a big open park out there. So you can take your dogs, go play softball, something like that, run around, but really cool place. So yeah, this is the San Ramon Park. As I skate it, I'll tell you what I like about it and what I don't like in upcoming videos. As well, we'll do some tutorials. So let's hop into some of those. Then right here we have a really unique pool. So it doesn't have pool coping, has regular coping, but it starts off really shallow. So about maybe 2.5, 3 feet right there. Then you have this dip, and then it goes to about maybe 5 or 6. So this is gonna be really fun. Looks like some water is drying up right there. So this is gonna be, we'll be doing a lot of tricks in here. This looks really fun to skate. So definitely excited to give this thing a try. So there you have it. That's the San Ramon Skate Park. A bunch of guys just rolled up, so I wanted to do a couple tricks. I think I might get a couple tricks in there, but may not film them just yet. So we're gonna have to come early in the morning like we usually do at Chino Hills. But like always, thank you guys for your continued support. This move has been awesome for me. Definitely a new location, a lot of things to explore with skating wise and just life stuff. So I've had a lot of fun. I will continue to go back down to Southern California, so me and Enzo will be making content again. So we often stay in touch, so that's always a good thing. But like always, get your boards, yokaher.com. I got the cool pup like always. So if you guys enjoyed this, please drop a like. Have any questions, comments, I'll answer all of them on YouTube. And yeah, keep skating. I'll see you guys.